Okay, so for all of you real estate investors out there or want to be real estate investors, we're going to take a tour right now of a property that has been in the market for several months. This is a flip, and just from driving up, maybe when I create this video, I can tell you already why it's still sitting in the market. If you get into a property, you don't know what you're doing, and you don't have enough room, you'll get caught up. You're not going to do all the renovations. And if you're like a half flip, it's just not going to sell. It's going to sit in the market, and then someone else like me is going to come in and lowball you and pick it up and then actually do the renovations right. Let's go take a look. Already from this outside, you can see, maybe it's hard for you to see. Let's zoom in. These windows are an absolute disaster. When you pull up to this house, the first thing you see is this wood garage door and all of this rot that's going on in the front of this property. And they got paint drips and everything like that. Didn't even properly clean it up. Like a paint over there. Just a very, very bad flip. You can actually look at all of the wood here, all these gaps. Looks really junky, looks really run down. Looks definitely like this lipstick and a pig. Already, as soon as it's pulling up, I can tell you why this house has been sitting. Let's go take a look inside. Well, okay, they did spend the money to actually have it staged, so that's good. Cheap doors, cheap hardware. Same thing here. Um, Fireplace. Now they painted it. There's nothing wrong with that, but they didn't even take the time to go in and put any of the mortar or properly clean this up. This should all be sealed. There should be cord around here, and then come down and look at this. Look at the drips. So they didn't even want to use. They're actually using the same baseboards, and they literally just painted everything. They should have updated this particular railing. This is definitely old school railing. Something with a little bit of like a cord railing or even metal railing would have made this a lot better. And then, yeah, same thing. Cheap original cabinets. And then you put this really nice, granite quartz or whatever on top of that. But then you kept, look at the finishing of this. This is a handyman special. Look at the inside of this cabinets. It's just completely ridiculous because you could have went to Home Depot and picked this up for not too much. I mean, this is a pretty small kitchen, and yeah, they don't even have a nice washer and dryer to cover up all of this. Look at this down there, all of that back baseboards and everything like that. I mean, this is just awful.
Or a fridge.
So they could have what? Oh, her washer and dryer. Yeah,
No,
refrigerator. I'm thinking quick. So popcorn ceilings, not terrible, but when you have popcorn ceilings with the terrible trim, pretty bad. Let's walk out to the deck. God, same thing. Half the deck is finished, half the deck's not finished. Very weird. All the screens not even tight. How much do they want for this house?
330.
330. Insulation. This is like a coffin. I don't know what that is. Look at this. This doesn't even work. Like oh, this beautiful barn door. And then they have this closet that's really right up next to it. Cheap carpet. Home Depot special. Let's go into the bathroom, see what we got. Look at this original tile. Someone did this. Mold and all that growing in there. Look at this toilet. It's not even centered. Don't even need to look. Bedrooms are very, very small. All right, well, this house is going to be the market forever. Where's the master?
That was the mess.
Oh, there's only one bathroom?
No. There's
Is there another bathroom? I was so terrified I didn't even want to go and look. Look at those windows. Same thing. So they left the shower enclosure because they left this in here because they obviously didn't want to replace it because there's a pretty big expense. If you'd taken this out and did tile all the way up and did a proper frameless shower enclosure, it's going to cost you probably about $5,000 or so, but at least you would have been able to sell the house and toilet room. Just other things, the finishes on the drywall, all very cheap. These colors don't even match. Well, there you go. That is how to not do a flip 101.